The plunger stem is threaded to the top of the piston stem. It has O-rings attached that seal it to the poppet. After years of use, the threads that secure it to the piston stem can fail, causing it to come free. Replacing the plunger stem is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the bumper from the top of the stapler. I'll use a large screwdriver to pry the bumper away from the actuator. Next, I'll remove the top cover. Next, I'll remove the actuator. There's a gasket between the actuator and the poppet. I'll go ahead and remove it. Next, I'll remove the plunger stem. There's two O-rings I'll need to transfer from the old plunger stem to the new one. And now I'll just screw the plunger stem back in place. Now reinstall the actuator gasket and the actuator. The actuator can be a little difficult to align. As you try to install it onto the plunger, it'll tend to want to push the entire assembly down. So the easy way to do it is to use a small pick, insert it through one of the holes, and use this as an alignment tool to line it up with the threaded holes beneath it. Press it into place, and now you can install the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap and the actuator bumper. And that's all it takes to install a new plunger stem on your flooring stapler.